Guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to create this kind of text effect in Adobe Photoshop. So I have my Adobe Photoshop here. I've given it a name of, let's say, text effect, then the width of 1920 pixels, height of 1080 pixels, and a resolution of 300. So now let's create our worksheet. I have my worksheet here now. What I have to do is to give it a solid color for the background, but then I don't want it to be pure black, so I'll go with the color code of 0C0C0C. Select the type tool and type out your word. So I'll be typing out blessed. Now after typing out your word, you have to resize your text. Now let me place my text in the middle and then let me resize it just a little bit. So after resizing the text, I'll press Ctrl J to duplicate the text and then select the bottom text. Now I'll drag the text down like so and then make sure the opacity is set to 0%. Now select effect and then stroke and give it a stroke of 3%. A stroke of 3% is okay. Let's duplicate the bottom text again and then push it up like this. So let's go with something like this. Let me push it down 1, 2, just a little. Okay. I'll select the two bottom text with the stroke effect and press Ctrl G to group them. Let's name it text. Add the layer marks and select the brush tool here. Make sure the foreground color is black and then the brush is set to soft round brush. The opacity should be 100, flow should be 100. And now to enlarge your mouse cursor, just press the right bracket key, and if you want to reduce the size, to press the left bracket key. So with this, I have to paint over my text like this. So let's say 2 to 3 times is okay. Now I'll select my move tool and then duplicate the group text. So after duplicating it, you select the last group, delete 8 layer marks and then open the text group. Now select the top text and drag it up. Should be drag it up like this. Select the bottom one and then drag it down like this as well. After doing that, close the group and add the layer marks. Select your brush tool again and then with the same settings here, paint over the text. So I'm painting over this text here. I'll do the same thing for the bottom one like this. I think this okay. Yeah, this okay. So now after using the brush tool to clean certain part of the text, you have to group these two texts and then just give it a name. Just give it one name. So when you open this group, it contains these two texts with the stroke effects. Now what you have to do is to add a gradient to the text with the stroke effects. So I'll come to effects, then gradient, and Come to oranges and select the third one. You can choose any color that you want, any color you want. But then I would like to go with the orange color. So let's go with this and select OK. So now guys, this is how to create this kind of text effect in Adobe Photoshop.